So far we have seen insertion in different ways. Today we are going to see how to delete a node in doubly linked list. Look at the first diagram. Here 45 is a head node and 1 is a tail node. So in between 3 is a node which we want to delete it from the doubly linked list. So how to delete it? See the second diagram. Just change the links, that's all. Discard the node 3 from its adjacent node. That is, make 45's next to point 1 and 1's previous to point 45. By doing this, 3 is discarded from the doubly linked list. So in this way only we have to delete a node in doubly linked list. Now we shall see the code now. Delete node is a user defined function. Here we pass two things as parameter. One is head pointer, the other one is deletion pointer. Deletion pointer is a node. What we are going to delete it from the doubly linked list. That we have to give it as input to the function. First you have to check the base case, like if the list is empty or not. Okay, so if the list is empty, you cannot delete anything from the doubly linked list. That is, you cannot delete any node from the doubly linked list since that is the list is empty. Okay, then go to the second part. Which node we want to delete, that we will give as input to the function no in the previous step. So that node itself is a head node, means then we have to move the head pointer to point to the deletion nodes next, which is nothing but old head pointers next node. That is that's what we are going to do here. Okay, so if star head is equal to del, then star head is equal to del arrow next. That is, del node is head node. That node's next field should be assigned as new head node. That's node next field should be assigned as new head node. Okay, this is the important point here. Then go to the third part. If del arrow next is not equal to null, then del arrow next arrow previous is equal to del arrow previous. So now look at the diagram. So here is where the important concept comes. Okay, so look at the diagram. 3 is a node we want to delete. So del is 3. Okay, 3's previous is 45. You agree or not? 3's previous is 45. And 3's next is 1. What you have to do is 3's next is 1 and 1's previous should point to 45, which is nothing but 3's previous. So if you do it, a link is established from 1 to 45. Similarly, you have to do the other link. You have to change the other link. That is, in the next part of the code, you have to check if del's previous is not equal to null. Then del arrow previous arrow next is equal to del arrow next. That is, 3's previous is 45 and 3's next is 1. You have to make 45's next should point 1. That is, 3's previous is 45 and 45's next should point what 3's next is pointing to. That is node 1. So you have created a link between 45 and 1. Then free the node 3 from the memory using free function. So that's it. You have successfully deleted a node 3 from the doubly linked list.